All right, folks, what we have here is a 2012 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to do the rear wiper blade. As you can tell, it's nice and ripped. Okay. The replacement one I'm using is a Duralast brand from AutoZone. All right, it's a DRC122. DRC122 comes with two adapters. Comes with adapter D and an adapter C. We're going to use the D because if you look at the middle here, see this little piece here? All right, that piece here is a little thicker. That one's a lot thinner. All right, and this one uses the thicker one. All right, and these adapters, what they do is they have a little arrow over here, okay? And on the blade has a little tiny triangle. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it. See on the direction that you are? Hold the blade in your hand and then slide this adapter up until it locks. And then once it's locked, you're gonna notice that it's gonna be lined up with these little notches in here. Okay? And it's gonna be in there. So, let me put you up on this little tripod here and I'm gonna show you how it comes off. Comes off pretty easy. Just a little bit of a tilt on the arm. Okay? Let's set you up here. All right. Let's do it in this 30-degree weather. You're gonna raise the arm up. Okay? This blade is gonna actually like twist off like that. Okay? Just gonna drop down and out. See, there's a little tiny hook. And if you look at the blade, they have these little tiny dots in there. All right? Or little nipples that stick out. And they actually lock in over here. So if you got a factory blade that's like this, it just slips back on, push it in, and it locks. See? When you have the aftermarket blades, they come with adapters. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, here we go. Let's get the one with the adapter. And it should go in the same way. Got the little tabs over here. Okay, one on each side. They're gonna go this way. So it's gonna sit just like this. And snap right in. Okay, let's see if I can get it first. Da, 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 da. Okay. That's it. See? Can't come out. Good to go. All right, looks funny with the adapters, but that's what it is with the aftermarket. Okay, all done. This is with the Duralast brand wiper blade. All right, DRC122. Easy peasy. All right, thanks for watching.